More than 30,000 assets, transitions, animated titles, effects, ready to drag and drop straight into your editing software. Yes, it exists, and it's called AEJuice. Here's my take on it. The link is in the description, and make sure you stick around until the end, because there's an exclusive promo code waiting for you. AEJuice is an asset library built for video editing, over 30,000 elements spread across more than 300 categories. Transitions, animated titles, glitch effects, cinematic overlays, Instagram stories, sound design, and even an AI-powered automatic captioning tool. Everything runs through a plugin called Pack Manager, installed directly into Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, and more. The software handles font installation automatically, resizes animations on its own depending on the chosen format, horizontal, vertical, or square, and supports exports up to 4K. The library was built over more than 6 years, with a development budget reported at over $2 million. On a typical edit, recreating smooth transitions or animated titles from scratch can easily take several hours, especially when every element needs to be timed frame by frame. With a library like this, the same task takes just a few minutes, since everything is already pre-animated and ready to adjust. For an editor juggling multiple projects a week, that time saved translates directly into more videos delivered and more clients taken on without sacrificing the quality of the final output. But pre-made effects aren't exactly rare. Dozens of platforms offer them. What actually sets AEJuice apart shows up in the technical details. Every preset stays fully customizable. Colors, speed, text, all editable directly inside Premiere Pro. No animation skills required. Text also adapts to any language, which is handy for multilingual content. And the library isn't locked to a single software. It's also compatible with After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, and even more specific tools like Nuke or Sony Vegas depending on the pack. For an editing team or a client working across multiple software, that means never getting locked into one proprietary format. The platform's flagship product is the I Want It All bundle, 133 packs bundled into a lifetime license, currently around $149 on sale. The offer includes unlimited use, installation on 2 computers, 24/7 support, and a 14-day money-back guarantee. On top of that comes several bonuses: a full training course on the tool, access to a library of over 10 million royalty-free photos, and 3 free months of an AI voiceover tool. For a freelance editor billing multiple videos a month, the investment can pay for itself as early as the first delivered project. And to make the deal even better, an exclusive promo code is available for this test. Clicking the affiliate link in the description automatically applies the 10% discount at checkout. It can also be entered manually with the code WOT10. So, if you want to speed up your production starting today, AEJuice is an option worth checking out. The link is in the description, along with the promo code.